How to add music to Windows Media Player library. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add music to Windows Media Player library. For this, you want to search for Windows Media Player. So go ahead and search for that, then launch it open. Once it has been launched open, here you want to click on the organize option. Go ahead and click on this drop down. Here you will find different options. Click on the one that says Manage Libraries. Here you have music, videos, pictures, and recorded TV. Click on the music option. Now this box will appear. Now what you want to do here is click on the Add option. Now from here you want to select the folders where you have the songs that you want to add over here. Click on the Include Folder option. When you include a folder in a library, the files appear in the library but continue to be stored in their original locations. Go ahead and click on the OK option once you have added it. As you can see, the songs have been successfully added to Windows Media Player library, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.